How to Become an AI Prompt Engineer, 2025 Step-by-Step Path. The rise of powerful AI models like GPT-4 has ushered in a new era of human-computer interaction. No longer limited to simple commands, we can now interact with AI through sophisticated prompts, guiding these intelligent systems towards desired outcomes. This has given rise to a new and highly sought-after profession, the AI Prompt Engineer. What is an AI Prompt Engineer? An AI prompt engineer is a specialist who crafts and refines prompts to elicit the most effective and valuable responses from AI models. They are essentially the communicators between humans and AI, translating human intent into a language that AI understands. Why is prompt engineering important? Unlocking AI's full potential. Well-crafted prompts unlock the true power of AI models, enabling them to perform complex tasks, generate creative content, and provide insightful solutions. Driving innovation. Prompt engineers play a crucial role in pushing the boundaries of AI applications, from developing new software and tools to revolutionizing creative fields. Gaining a competitive advantage. In today's AI-driven world, mastering prompt engineering can provide a significant competitive advantage in various fields, from business and marketing to research and development. How to become an AI prompt engineer, a step-by-step guide. Develop a strong foundation in AI fundamentals. Understand AI concepts. Familiarize yourself with the basics of artificial intelligence, including machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing. Explore different AI models. Gain experience with various AI models, such as large language models, LLMs, image generators, and other AI-powered tools. Master the art of prompt crafting. Start with simple prompts. Begin with basic prompts and gradually increase complexity. Experiment with different prompt styles. Explore various prompt styles, including question-based, instruction-based, and example-based prompts. Refine and iterate. Continuously refine your prompts based on the AI's responses, iteratively improving their effectiveness. Learn from others. Study successful prompts and learn from the experiences of other prompt engineers. Develop key skills. Communication and creativity. Effective communication and creative thinking are essential for crafting clear, concise, and imaginative prompts. Critical thinking and problem solving. Analyze AI responses critically, identify areas for improvement, and develop innovative solutions. Attention to detail. Pay close attention to the nuances of language and how they impact the AI's output. Continuous learning. The field of AI is constantly evolving. Stay updated on the latest advancements in AI technology and prompt engineering techniques. Gain practical experience. Experiment with different AI models. Practice crafting prompts for various AI models and explore their unique capabilities. Work on real-world projects. Engage in personal or professional projects that involve interacting with AI models and using prompts to achieve specific goals. Participate in online challenges and competitions. Test your skills and learn from others by participating in online prompt engineering challenges and competitions. Build your portfolio. Document your prompts and results. Keep a record of your successful prompts, the AI's responses, and any insights you gained from the process. Create a portfolio of your work. Showcase your best prompts and the impressive results they generated in a portfolio. Share your knowledge. Share your expertise by writing blog posts, creating tutorials, or contributing to online communities. Explore career paths. Prompt engineering specialist. Many companies are now hiring dedicated prompt engineers to optimize their AI workflows. AI researcher. Conduct research on prompt engineering techniques and develop new methods for interacting with AI models. AI developer. Integrate prompt engineering skills into AI development projects, creating more effective and user-friendly AI applications. Content creator. Leverage prompt engineering to generate creative content, such as articles, stories, and scripts. Join the prompt engineering community. Connect with other prompt engineers. Engage with other prompt engineers through online forums, communities, and conferences. Learn from experts. Follow industry leaders and attend workshops and webinars on prompt engineering. Stay updated on the latest trends. Keep abreast of the latest advancements in prompt engineering and the AI field. Tools and resources. AI platforms. Experiment with various AI platforms, such as OpenAI's GPT models, Google Bard, and Midjourney. Online communities. Engage with the prompt engineering community through forums, social media groups, and online courses. AI-based course recommendation platform. Tutorials and courses. Explore online resources, such as tutorials, courses, and workshops to learn from experienced prompt engineers. The future of prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is a rapidly evolving field with immense potential. As AI models become increasingly sophisticated, the role of prompt engineers will become even more critical. By mastering the art of prompt engineering, you can unlock the full potential of AI, drive innovation, and shape the future of human-computer interaction. Conclusion: becoming an AI prompt engineer requires a combination of technical skills, creative thinking, and a deep understanding of AI. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can develop the necessary skills and knowledge to excel in this exciting and rewarding field. Embrace the challenge, experiment, and unlock the power of AI through the art of effective prompting.